Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. This channel focuses on sharing affiliate marketing knowledge and helping you build effective affiliate marketing systems on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and TikTok. In the previous videos, I introduced software that helps you build and grow TikTok affiliate channels more effectively. I also showed you how to manage accounts, videos, and posting features inside the software to support your affiliate marketing workflow. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the software to warm up and grow TikTok accounts based on your target audience. Now, why is account warming important? There are many reasons. First, if you simply create a TikTok account and start posting videos immediately, TikTok's algorithm will take a very long time to understand your content niche. The platform doesn't know * what your channel is about, * whether your audience targeting is accurate, * what niche your content belongs to. So TikTok needs a lot of time to recognize and categorize your channel properly. That's why our software helps you warm up your main accounts by interacting with creators and audiences in the same niche. As a result, TikTok's algorithm will recognize that your account is interested in and related to that specific niche. Then when you upload videos, TikTok can distribute your content to the right audience much faster. Another important thing is warming up supporting accounts. These supporting accounts are trained based on your target customer niche. Then you can use them for engagement and seeding activities to help push your main channel stronger into trends and recommendations. Our software helps you automate all of these tasks and build TikTok channels much more efficiently. Before we jump into today's main content, let's roll the intro. Alright. First, open the MKT Tick Pro software. You'll notice the interaction feature here. This is the main feature used for account warming. You can create many different interaction scenarios or scripts. Simply click Add Script. First, give your script a name. Then you'll see the Total Interaction Actions section. This total number equals all the interaction actions below combined. Usually, I set this number very high, for example, 666 actions. Next is the delay time between actions. Normally, I set it between 15 to 30 seconds to make the behavior look natural. Now let's talk about general interactions. First, the software can open TikTok notifications. Then it can scroll through the feed and watch a certain number of videos. You can customize * how many videos to watch, * how long each video is watched, * whether to like videos, * share videos, * repost content, * leave random comments, * reply to comments, * like comments, * follow random accounts. These are general engagement actions to make the account look natural. Next is keyword-based interaction. This feature is extremely important. You can enter niche-related keywords here. For example, if your niche is home appliances, you can enter keywords related to home appliances. The software will automatically search for videos containing those keywords and interact with them. You can also customize * how many keywords each account interacts with, * how many videos are watched per keyword, * watch duration per video. I recommend setting the watch time between 15 to 30 seconds, or around 15 to 40 seconds for the most natural behavior. There's also an important setting here. If you don't select a watch duration, the software will watch the entire video automatically before moving to the next one. Then you can enable * like videos, * share posts, * leave random comments, * reply to comments, * like comments, * follow accounts. Replying to comments is especially important because TikTok sees your account as highly active and engaged, which can significantly improve content distribution. Next is TikTok ID interaction. This feature allows you to interact directly with specific TikTok accounts by entering their TikTok IDs. Then there's following interaction, which interacts with accounts you already follow. And finally, live stream interaction. This feature helps you warm up accounts and boost live stream engagement as well. Basically, the interaction section works like this. You can create multiple scripts for different niches and audience groups. After saving the script, simply select all accounts here and click Start. The software will automatically open each TikTok account, and begin running the interaction process. As you can see, it starts scrolling the feed, searching keywords, and watching videos automatically. For example, my current script is searching for men's accessories. The software searches videos related to men's accessories and starts interacting naturally. That's basically how the software works. It allows you to warm up many TikTok accounts at the same time. Of course, if you only have one account, you can warm it up manually. But if you want to scale multiple accounts and build a powerful engagement system, software automation becomes extremely important. And our software only costs around 3 million VND per year. If you calculate it daily, it's cheaper than a single iced tea per day. Plus, our support team will accompany you throughout the process, helping you *build TikTok growth strategies, *develop channel systems, *share successful case studies, *learn effective scaling methods. Alright, that's the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.